This is a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, XM satellite radio, a sport suspension, direct injection, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, a rear window defroster, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.